Hi, my name's Steve Winterbottom. Today I am pleased to present to you the redesign of the topic folders in the alpha multi-channel editorial system ContentLine. There have been many changes to the user interface of EditorialOrganiser. This is to improve usability and reduce the number of clicks required to navigate and take actions. There is much more use of direct action buttons and drill down to get to the part of the system or data that you require. Instead of many clicks via the submenu, the old big plus sign with its submenus, you can now reach all action buttons directly in the header. Of course, you still also retain the context menu. No longer do we have the three tabs for navigation. We have everything vertically and scrollable. Within the element blocks, you can collapse and expand the different panels. The user interface now has numerical indicators. This shows the number of items contained in each element. The information bar has been separated out from the topic metadata, providing a new useful separation to keep the topic header even smaller. Information is at the top, separated from the general metadata. This is useful because the information block will contain the catchwords, and there can be many of them. Notes also get a new recognition. They are now the first content area at the top. And finally, last but not least, the publication channels. These can be found to the right of the article element. Now it's easy to find them at the end of the article line. This includes a link to jump into the exported channel. Thank you for your interest, and above all, enjoy your new version of Alpha EditorialOrganiser, the newsroom management system. Stay tuned for the next update.